Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to give the geometrical constraint in SolidWorks software. So first I will go with sketch, select the front plane, create one circle, give the dimension 50 mm. So this we can give vertical and horizontal constraint. Select both the points. You can see horizontal and vertical and coincident is there. You can give the coincident also, it will fit to the exact center point. And also select one line. So this we can give horizontal constraint or vertical constraint. So both constraints we can give. See, now I will give vertical constraint. So and also you can give, select the midpoint of the line, select the circle midpoint. You can give these three constraints are fixed like this. If you give coincident, it will fit to the center like this. Or you can give, so for example, give the dimension first 150 mm, select the midpoint, and circle midpoint, give the midpoint constraint. Like this we can give. And also select one more line, select this point and this point, give the horizontal constraint. And also select this line, give the horizontal constraint. So like this we can give. Select the midpoint of the line again, this line already constrained. So create one more line, select this line and circle, give the tangent constraint like this. So line is constrained with the tangent of the circle. Next select this line, give the vertical constraint. Next select center rectangle, here select this point and this point, give the horizontal constraint, again give the vertical constraint. So like this we can constrain the sketches. So select this line and this line, we can give these constraints perpendicular, parallel. So if we give parallel, this and this will parallel. So select one line, select this and this, we can give the perpendicular like this. Next we can give the parallel constraint. Select this and this, parallel constraint. You can give the equal constraint also. Create one line, select both the lines equal, so distance is same. Select this and this, can give the perpendicular constraint also. You can see line will perpendicular to the opposite line. Next, create one more line, select this and this, can give the collinear also, so line will straight to the same line. So I hope all covered these geometrical constraints. If you have any doubt, you can leave the comment below. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope it will help to the beginners. So thanks for watching this session, friends, and also I am requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me.